of sleeping alone, so tired of eating alone. I need to ask her, what's going on? Are we going strong? She felt like resting her head. My shoulder was the perfect height. We fit so right. So what's going on? Cause I've been undone. The long drive, the coastline, looking at her first light. Am I still on her mind? I've been undone. Oh, Saturday sun, I met someone out on the west coast. I gotta get back, I can't let this go. Saturday sun, I met someone, don't care what it costs. No ray of sunlight's ever. I gotta get back, I can't let this go. I gotta get back, I can't let this go. Saturday sun. And still the memory's right there. She put the breeze in my hair. No kiss was softer, softer than this. I'm reading her lips. Oh, each line I read. She left her books in my bed and her song in my head. I've been undone. Oh, Saturday sun, I met someone out on the west coast. I gotta get back, I can't let this go. Saturday sun, I met someone, don't care what it costs. No ray of sunlight's ever. This go. Saturday sun, I met someone, don't care what it costs. No ray of sunlight's ever. I gotta get back, I can't let this go.
Never say never. Well, I never thought I'd find someone like you. What could be better than a friend to fall into? I still remember cold nights and lights, you walking me home, hands in your sweater. You said you never let me go. But I got lost in California, trying to find my way back to you. I chased the sunset through the hills, back to that spot we used to chill. My heart will always be here for ya. But I got lost in California. Chase the sunset through the hills, back to that spot we used to chill. My heart will always be here for ya. But I got lost in California. Never say never. Well, I never thought I'd wonder where you are when you said forever. Never thought you meant to part. It's already September, and I spent all summer long missing you. Still wearing your sweater, the only piece that's left of you. But I got lost in California, trying to find my way back to you. I chased the sunset through the hills, back spot.